Sit down. No, sit down. Get your candy. No, sit down here and eat your candy. Sit down.
She loves seeing the baby too.
Well, you do too. You always did.
Remember at Uncle Tommy's first year?
Get Nanny to open it for you.
Yeah. I forgot about that, eh, hon?
That'd be funny if somebody comes up to him and is like, is that your dad? He's like, nope.
You got a little hole, get her out.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Get her in. Swallow her up.
Here.
Oh, close that door.
George is there.
Summer?
Oh, wait.
Oh, stop this. It's alright, put her in.
No, got here.
Well, take the hairs off. Help her.
Get the hairs off. 10-second rule. Get them off. Come here, eat it here, out here.
You chew it up. You see. Is it that bad? Did she just put it in?
Are they sour?
She didn't even write it.
Can't be that bad.
And there's that
Yeah,
stuff
try
inside.
one.
Yeah,
Try one.